I'm at my hotel. This is my bathroom. It's very cute. Very, very, very cute. A little shower. Here's the sink, mirror. This is the little refrigerator and safe. Some cups. This is the TV. This is where I have my stuff sitting. These are the nice little windows. I got a good view. This is my bed. Very, very cute. Very nice hotel. I need a nap already. Oops, what is this? This is the view outside of my window. You can see a little bit of the street. I can open the window, but I guess they have it. You can only open it but so much. I guess they don't want people jumping. I'm about to take a shower and a little bit of a nap. It is, what time is it here? Like 12 something, maybe 12:30. So I'm gonna take a little nap and get up in about an hour or so. Symmetry and beauty at all costs. I'm here, Palace of Versailles. So much gold, grandness, beauty, all great describing words for me. Here I am walking through the streets of Paris. Look behind me. I'm kind of walking in the middle of the street. This is a one-way street, so if a car comes, I kind of know. Anyway, I'm really enjoying my Parisian moment. Oh, motorcycle? Anyway. The neighborhood's cute. It's quiet. Take a look. Walking these Parisian streets. Bonjour, merci. I need help. Anyway, I'm gonna keep walking. Parisian doors, fabulous. And ironwork. Anyway, we're gonna keep walking. I'm looking very cute. Had a great day at the Palace of Versailles, and now I am back, and I don't have anything really planned for today or for the rest of the evening. I might go out and do a little bit of dancing. There's some places nearby. Apparently there's a Nigerian lounge, plays music, good food, and maybe I'll go there later today. I don't know, but we shall see. It's called Black and White, the name of this lounge. Oh, there's my hotel. This place right here, Le Chiquier. Yes, Le Chiquier. Yes, I'm getting my French together while I'm here. And just enjoying it. Wow, why am I out of breath? What the heck? walking too fast. And the street is kind of on a slant. Like, seriously? My ankles are not built for this. This is what happens when you don't have an arch and your ankles lean in. So just, this is what it is.